Hello everybody, today we are going to see how reliable robot vacuums are. So right here we have the Shark IQ Eufy 30C. Over here we have the D-Bot 500. And our last one for today is the Samsung JetBot Plus. So let's get them started. I'll run them for a few hours and whoever makes it back to their dock is the winner. Quick check-in, we got the Shark IQ going strong, probably moved the most out of all of them. The Eufy moving particularly slow, but it's a budget vacuum, that's why. We got the fancy Samsung over here, working strong, going under the foosball table. And then D-Bot 500 over here, slowly cleaning, but he's working. D-Bot 500 has been doing this for the last 20 minutes and it will just not be smart and back up. And I think he's gonna stay here for another 20. It's been a good 20 minutes. This guy is still slowly but surely cleaning this Samsung's auto empty bin really well. Eufy, still dead. Been dead for 20 minutes. This guy, I'm not sure what he's doing. Working really weirdly, but it's going. All the vacuums at one point have cleaned over here. No idea where the Shark IQ is. Where did it go? Yeah, it's way over there. There it is. Clean it. And then that's about it. Here comes Samsung. That guy's dock got moved over. This guy still going strong. This guy finally aired out. It was on this for like 25 minutes. So, put him out of his misery, I guess. It has been a few hours. The Shark is attempting to dock and has docked. And the Samsung might have an issue because D-Bot is still sitting there. So I think the Shark is probably going to win, but who knows? Pretty loud. Since both auto empty robot vacuums tied, we decided to take a measurement on which self-empty bin is the loudest. So the Samsung clocked in at about 80 decibels. And then over here with the Shark, it clocked in only around 75 decibels. So the Shark wins, and its self-empty bin is quite a bit more quieter and it feels more reliable. Thank you for watching.